Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a TikTok account for business. So let's get into it. In the TikTok app, tap Profile at the bottom. Tap the menu button at the top. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Account. Tap Switch to Business Account. Tap Next. Now pick the category that best describes your brand and tap Next. Add an email address to your profile. Add a bio to let your followers and customers know more about your business. Finally, tap Create Now. And that's it. Congrats on your new TikTok business account. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.